Many entrepreneurs are still battling with establishing their business ideas. Sometimes there is no physical space for physical interactions with customers. Digital technology is bridging the gap by selling online. Acquiring and maintaining an online business provides entrepreneurs with an opportunity and the freedom to make money remotely from any parts of the world. Merchandise Uganda is a business community platform and marketplace where merchants open their showrooms and engage in direct marketing with their clients, thereby direct link between suppliers, business owners and buyers. Numerous online shop categories are available. However, there is an attached advertising fee ranging from 50,000 shillings for 6 months.
Merchandise Uganda, it is a business community, a marketplace. We started in 2019, and it is a business community whereby people open up their online shops, their showrooms, and showcase their products and services. So to access our platform, it is online. You go to www.merchandiseuganda.com. It is a website, and it helps people to connect to clients locally and both global. So if one wants to join us or open up their showroom or an online shop on Merchandise Uganda, they need to pay 50,000 for 6 months. You pay 100,000 for 9 months and 200,000 for a full year. So we give you ads. If you pay 200,000, we give you 500 ads. If we pay 100,000, we give you 180 ads. If you pay 50,000 for 6 months, we give you 80 ads. Ads are in form of different products. If you're selling a white dress, a blue dress, a yellow dress, you would want your client to see that you actually have all these types of dresses that you're selling. With Merchandise Uganda, we are aiming at not leaving anyone behind. We are saying that if you don't have money to showcase your products, like advertising on TV, it is so much expensive. So on Merchandise Uganda, we give you a free month whereby you post only 2 products. You post a yellow dress and a blue dress, so you leave out all the other dresses. So if you want to showcase all the dresses, you need to pay more money. But we are giving out this free platform for 1 month, and you showcase your business. And then for the ladies, if any ladies out there and is looking for visibility, is looking for market for her products or services, we are giving an extra month whereby instead of paying for 50,000, we shall give you this time of the 9 months on the 50,000. Remember, 9 months are of 100,000, but for the ladies, that is a value addition. And then we also train on how to use these digital tools, how to use smartphones, how to use computers, so that you manage and promote your business on the internet, and how you can get more clients. On the 15th, it is gonna be a World Skills Day. So we are using this platform to actually train women, young people, men who own small businesses. So if you are a small business owner out there, we will launch our program that will begin on the 16th of this month. We'll be training them on how to use digital tools, computers, how to use internet to access local market and the global market. And also we are going to train them in financial management skills and saving. We'll bring experts from banks, and we are calling upon all small business owners to join us on that date.
High People advised Merchandise Uganda on how to do better in integration of their services as well as scaling their market experience.
So all these models of interoperability are addressing this. For connection to occur, you must have a bilateral connection between you and another service provider, or there must be a hub that all service providers are connected to. For settlement to occur, you could either have pre-funding meaning that you have your wallet where we put all our money and then the transactions to the final man, okay, are got from your wallet.
Once again, I want to appreciate Hi People for this opportunity, for engaging me. We are a startup. We thank Hi People for giving us this platform to actually showcase what we are doing, Merchandise Uganda. We want to reach as many people as possible. I believe with the help of Hi People and other partners, we can be able to reach out to all Ugandans to showcase the potential of Ugandan businesses and all that. And I also welcome Mojo Loop together with Hi People to actually, we are going to sit and talk and see how we can include the customer journey.
Today has been the 38th day of the 40 Days 40 Fintechs project organized by Hi People.
Now the 40 days for the fintechs and the current COVID situation that has affected the entire world has taught us to actually learn to make use of the unlimited digital space to have business opportunities. And that's one of the things that Merchandise Uganda is doing. Getting the business operators, especially in retail, to understand that now more than ever, you can do sales without having to be in a physical shop. You can have a shop somewhere at a given address on the World Wide Web and be able to make sure you sell. So what they're doing is not only thinking of creating an e-commerce or classifieds platform, but they are rather making sure they are going down to the sellers, the retailers, and the business owners, and telling them that even when we are locked down, if people need to buy your commodities, they can buy them in one or another when you have a shop on our platform. And I mean that is very important for us because as long as people are able to make money and run away from the viscous circles of poverty, then we are eradicating poverty, and we are by any chance helping the world achieve full financial inclusion. So we're very excited. We spoke to more of their business side, and they're interested in technology. We are going to have more engagements with their tech side to make sure they have better appreciation of emerging technologies such as Moja Loop that can help them create an amazing use case and customer journey that helps them create interoperable payment solutions that allow their digital shops for their retailers and merchants have and receive payments in real time using digital financial payment systems like mobile money, like payment cards and all that. And we're really very excited that they're being part of the participants of the amazing 40 Days for the Fintechs initiative. So we are very thankful to everyone that has participated to date, and we are very thankful to our partners, Modusbox, Crosslex Technologies, and Moja Loop Foundation.
Hi People is pleased to present 40 Days 40 Fintechs, an initiative under its Include Everyone program as it continues to lead the way in advocacy for the creation and dissemination of technology that enables financial inclusivity. The inaugural 40 Days 40 Fintechs is shining a spotlight on those that are breaking down digital barriers and bringing millions more on the continent into the transactional space and transforming their lives for the better. 40 Days 40 Fintechs is presented in proud partnership with Crosslex Technologies, Modusbox, and Moja Loop Foundation.
The 40 Days 40 Fintechs project will climax with the Fintech Landscape exhibition on the 15th and 16th of July 2020. Rita Cabanyoro, Smart 24.